on trip. I'm like a cup of shroom tea in the morning. Coat your throat like hot honey. You gon' need water, then want some more of me. In your head, you gon' slip. I love on you.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Lynn Tay coming to you today with another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I got this style. This is a U-part wig from LUVME hair. It's 26 inches of a body wave. I didn't dye it or anything. Some of my hair is left out because it is a U-part wig. It is not a frontal. I think I just want to kind of a break from frontals. I'm tired of wearing frontals all the time, especially when it starts getting hot. It becomes like very annoying to wear frontals. It came with a bonnet. They provided a pink bonnet, I guess, to wear to sleep. They also provided one of those cute little like word clips to like clip in your hair. I think I may wear it, and it looks like this. They provided like a little pack of bobby pins, a little strap to like wear a wig glueless, a cap, a comb, and they provided a mini like little wax stick. This is really cute. And they provided some tweezers. I'm gonna see how this looks like in my hair. This is so cute, y'all. This says LUVME. But yes guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial. This hair is bomb. Like, I washed it and everything, and it's so silky. It can get really straight. When I straighten it, I didn't just put it on like the highest temperature, so just because my hair was like left out and I kind of wanted it to still have like texture or whatever. So all the details of this hair will be in the description box below. Go ahead and subscribe and join the fam. We get hair videos, story time, lifestyle videos. I got a baby. We do videos with my baby, all that good stuff. Bye guys. Mwah.
I am spiraling down, and you can save me now. Isn't it funny how we all seem to feel like it's all a dream? Don't you wish you could shut it out? Don't you wish you could make it stop? Don't you wish you could fade away? Fade away. Fade away. Fade away. Feel it coming, no use running. Isn't this what you want? Me to give up and to slip out. Would you expect me to say? Don't you wish you could shut it off? Don't you wish you could make it stop? Don't you wish you could fade away? 'Cause alcohol doesn't seem to work. I can still feel all the hurt, but I'm trying to fade away. Fade away. Fade away. all seem to feel like it's all a dream. Do you wish you could shut it off? Do you wish you could make it stop? Do you wish you could fade away? Fade away. Fade away. Fade away. Feel it coming, no use running. Isn't this what you want?
But yeah, I just have this part right here that I just need to go ahead and put some heat to. I just turned my flat iron off, so I hope it's hot enough. Yeah, it's still hot. Okay. Alright, y'all, my makeup is done, so now I'm just going to like fix my hair a little bit. I don't think anything pretty much needs to be done with it, but I'm going to put a little bit of edge control on my edges. My edge control, you know how you open the edge control and you leave it out and it gets like white, and if you apply it, it's gonna be white on your edges. So that's what's going on with me. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of Got To Be Glue gel on my edges, just for the part that you're gonna be able to see it, because anybody got time to be doing it everywhere else. So I'm just gonna like part it real good and like just finesse my baby hair.
Never gonna stand a chance. Heartbreak like a sad romance. Said that you never come back again. Been 3 days, now you're back again. But I'm not your man, no, I'm not your man. I can blow your mind like whoa. Why be faithful when you got hoes? Drop top and off we go. We gon' pop off, that's how we roll. Your perfect face, not to mention your perfect body elegance. The way you move while you're dancing.
Okay. So yeah, it comes really, really long. Yeah, it comes really, really long. Okay, y'all, so this is how the hair looks. I think it looks really, really good. Has a lot of shine with it. My hair blending in so good with it as well. This is how my edges look, and this is what the clip looks like. Alright, you guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Alright guys, talk to you in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.